Good morning students. In this video lesson, I'll recapitulate the chapter Sound of Music. The video has two parts. First part deals with Evelyn Glennie and the second part deals with Bismillah Khan. Evelyn Glennie. Her full name is Dame Evelyn Elizabeth Ann Glennie. She is a multi-percussionist performing internationally with a wide variety of orchestras and contemporary musicians. She was selected as one of the two laureates for the Polar Music Prize of 2015. Let us know more about Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. Yes, you got that right. She is deaf. Little girl Evelyn at Royal Academy of Music rush hour crowds pushed for place on the underground train platform. A little girl of about 17 was nervous for the coming train. It was her first day at the famous Royal Academy of Music in London. She was deaf, so she was facing a bigger challenge in life. Now let's know how Evelyn's deafness was detected. Evelyn Glennie was from Scotland. She lost her hearing gradually. Her mother saw it when Evelyn was 8 years old. Evelyn hid this growing weakness from her friends and teachers. By 11, her marks lessened. The headmistress told her mother to take her to a specialist. It was known that her hearing loss was due to gradual nerve damage. She was advised to wear a hearing aid. So what happened next? But Evelyn was determined to lead a normal life. She wanted to pursue her interest in music. One day she saw a girl playing xylophone. She too decided to play it. Ron Forbes recognized Evelyn's talent in it. He told her to listen it not through ears but sense it some other way. Evelyn said that suddenly she could feel the higher and lower drums differently. She could also sense certain notes in different parts of her body. She could open her mind and body to different sounds. Now let us know Evelyn's height of success. She never looked back. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra. She had decided to make music her life. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music in London by playing the xylophone. There she scored the highest in its history. She moved from orchestral work to solo performances. After her 3-year course, she had got most of the top awards. Evelyn, world's most wanted multi-percussionist. She is not proud of her achievements. She says that if one knows one's goal, one can get it. She is now at the top. She is the world's most wanted multi-percussionist. She has mastery over 1,000 instruments. So now that we are talking about Evelyn being a multi-percussionist, we should know what is a percussion instrument. It is a musical instrument that is sounded by being struck or scraped by a beater, including attached or enclosed beaters or rattle struts, scraped or rubbed by hand or struck against another similar instrument. Now let us know about Evelyn's other interest. Without hearing, she functions with ease. She speaks fluently with a Scottish lilt. She learned French and mastered basic Japanese. So how Evelyn hears the music? She says that music pours in through every part of her body. At times, she plays the xylophone. She can sense the sound passing in her fingertips. She feels the sound of the drums when she leans on them. She removes her shoes on a wooden platform. She does so to feel the vibrations in her body. Students, in 1991, she was awarded the Soloist of the Year award. It is the most famous award of the Royal Philharmonic Society. Master percussionist James Blades say that God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her something extraordinary. So students, Evelyn is an inspiration for the handicapped. Evelyn says that she is a workaholic. She has to work harder than classical musicians. She gives regular concerts. She also gives free concerts in schools and hospitals. She gives priority to young musicians. Anne Richlin of the Beethoven's Fund for Deaf Children say that Evelyn is a shining inspiration for deaf children. Students, Evelyn has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra. She is an inspiration to the handicapped. She has given great pleasure to millions. Thank you. So this was the first part which discussed about Evelyn Glennie. In the second part, we'll discuss about Bismillah Khan.